Hello, my name is Ivan and today I am going to make a video explaining how Google Docs. Here as can see is the first play are the templates that you can choose for document to as curriculum, or lecture, project your proposal and brochure. Here the gallery of templates. You can choose one and change the text to your taste. Here this is button you can check the view of the page. Is the next button you can sort by last open by me, last modified by me, last modified and title. And the highest button is to upload any folder from your drive or from your device. Your options is the my drive. This are my files and folders. Share it with me files and folders you are share with me. Stored is the files and folders you can future, but I have no. One is the one files. The recent is the files and folders you have recently open it and share. Is the upload and any files and folders from the device you are on. We are going to create a blank document. We see to change the pause, put links and make multiple functions. This is link and the great things about Google Drive is the tag any changes are saved in the cloud instantaneously. And then also in the upper right part there is a button to be able to share this document to anything and that person can see it. Edit or save. Is also dependent of the permission you have them. This is the final video.